I am CA D.V. Joshi of 1984 batch and practicing since 1990. I was in Mumbai since 1978 to 94, worked in industry for 6 years, and since 1995 I am in Pune practice as a practicing CA. I came to know about Ajay Deshmukh as a Daikin person when I was working for one of my clients in air conditioning business in 2001. Mr. Ajay Deshmukh became my client as ARI Services in 2011, and like many of my clients, we have mingled well in the thought process for anything as a business and client relation or personally also. Now, as far as ARI Services is concerned, it really started from scratch and has come a very long way in a decade's time. Credit goes to Mr. Ajay Deshmukh and his team, who really work heart and soul to establish ARI Services as a brand in Pune. When I visit frequently in last 10 years, I find that the working culture is also family culture like. Each other having respect for each other, and they are working as a hardcore person. So no time is wasted in working, and everybody is punctual and prompt in working. Since beginning, Mr. Deshmukh told me that I want to start a business and bring it to such a level, but only with good business practices and ethical business practices. So my role was to ensure that all legal compliance is done properly and in time, and we have done it so far so good, and we intend to do it for at least a decade till I decide to retire. As far as ARI staff is concerned, they are also working very nicely with us, and they are very respectful for all the consultants, not only me but all the consultants. And ARI has a very bright future, and I am sure they will be a name to reckon with in Pune region over next 2 decades time.